Did you know that Weidmüller also offers solutions for PV systems?
No? Then watch out.
We have everything you need for your PV installation between module
And the inverter.
For example, razor-sharp stripping tools. Like this multi-stripax PV, for which even the thickest insulation is a piece of cake.
Forget hotspots or the risk of fire due to incorrect connections. It's fast and safe with our crimp-free PV stick.
Now, the marking is still missing. But as a specialist for electronics with our own markers and printers, we can offer you the right solution. UV resistant and still readable even after 35 years. But an absolute highlight are our combiner boxes, which are available in a wide range of different types. From versions with surge protection to integrated fireman switches for the protection of electronics and buildings. No matter if a single family house or a commercial installation. Whether PV Inline, PV Next or PV Next Fireman Switch, we always have the right box for every inverter type from 1 to 12 MPP. Our PV portfolio makes your installation easy, fast and safe. Visit our website to learn more.